Tired of sluggish performance and poor battery life on your current smartphone? Enter the POCO M6 Pro 5G. Powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 mobile platform with a power-efficient 4nm architecture and 8GB of RAM, including 4GB TurboRAM, this device ensures smooth multitasking and gaming. The large 17.24 cm FHD plus 90Hz AdaptiveSync display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection offers a vibrant and durable viewing experience. Capture stunning photos with the 50MP AI dual camera and 8MP selfie camera, equipped with features like night mode and time-lapse. The 5000 mAh battery paired with a 22.5W charger guarantees long-lasting use. Additional perks include MIUI 14 with Android 13, a side fingerprint sensor, IR blaster, and an IP53 rating. Upgrade to the POCO M6 Pro 5G and enjoy enhanced performance, superior camera quality, and extended battery life.